Guys, so I'm out here today. I'm gonna do a little brim busting, and this is a cutoff of a pink worm. If you're gonna do this brim busting with a brim buster rod, it'd be a channel catfish. He'll turn in a minute. Yeah, it's gonna be a cat. So today, guys, we got my friend Jesse and his wife Samantha and their daughter Olivia out here. We're fishing a little farm pond in Georgia, and he's caught a little channel cat.
Yes, sir. You get my pliers, honey? You got it?
Yeah. So what you want to watch with these is these three things here will stick you.
They got a little
Get a hold on him like that. No, but it's just the bacteria on him will mess up your hand. But
yeah.
Get a good grip on him.
Got it. He's a beast.
Put him on there. And
look at him. That's a pretty cat.
Yeah, that's a nice
cat right there.
Yep. I had a brim break my line, so I'm hiking around the lake to see if he's still on the hook. My bobber came back up on the other side of the lake, so let's see what's over here. I don't know if that's probably 4-pound line, but I don't know what took the line, but we're gonna go see if we can get it back. That's a nice one.
Shiny, let's keep it.
All right, you wanna take your picture with it? Okay, hold him.
And I also want to keep it.
Okay, we'll put him in the bucket.
Yeah.
All right, come here. All right, so hold this with one hand. Pull that line right there with the other. All right.
Yeah, this is definitely a keep.
All right. Oh, it's just a little dirt. Oh, there is a bug. You know where that bug came from? He spit it up. Here, Olivia, you want to reel this one in? I think he's still on there. Let's see. Pull it on in. I had one. Yeah, he's still there. Yeah, I'm going to get that one in a minute. Go ahead and reel. He's on there. I already hooked him. Yeah, I see him. He's coming this way.
I got to catch my knife.
Yeah, the line's going that way, whichever way he's pointing.
Yeah. Mama.
All right. Reel him on up. All right.
Did I catch my knife?
Yep.
Yeah, we did my knife.
All right.
But I actually
He was probably a year ahead of me in school, but yeah, he might know me. And I probably would know him if I saw him. I don't forget faces. But Oconee is a place we could take the pontoon and go catch. I mean, if they're biting, you can catch plenty of catfish down there, and they got 50-pounders.
love it.
I'm cool with going anywhere.
All right.
I've been trying to get people to nobody wants to go fishing with me.
Well, everybody wants to go with me, but they don't have time the days I've got, and just different things.
I've got my own company. I make my own time.
That's the way I am.
I do what I want.
I love it.
There he is. That is a cat.
That's a
I was wondering the way she was cranking on it. All right, reel up, and then we move your rod down, reel down with him. There you go. Now bring him up again.
Oh my God.
good one. Goodness. You want to take a picture of that one, honey?
Yeah.
You get the whole hook in there.
Yeah, but we probably can get it out. Oh, it's another monster. We done found the honey hole. Oh yeah.
It's a baby one again.
Yeah, it's 2 babies in a row. Yep. Okay, you got him? Okay, taking the hook out. Okay, get another grip on him. He's about to jump out. Got him? Okay. Yeah, a lot of people call them brim, bluegill, but it's this thing right here that's blue.
Yeah.
That's his bluegill.
Yeah, that's the colors of the ones that when I first caught one. They were like, "Oh my God, you got a piranha!" I'm like, "Yeah, it kind of looks like
bluegill.
a piranha."
I have caught piranhas. They're pretty good to eat. Yeah. Oh, you're getting a bite, Olivia. Get ready. Point down and start reeling. Reel, 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 reel. Sit down.
Pull it.
There you go.
Oh.
He was on there for a second. I saw that bobber go in there. Yeah, Mom's got one on too.
I just got a little baby.
Yeah.
Look, how did you get, Mama? Did you get massive?
Yeah, your mom's just a little bit bigger.
Hold on.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Get it! Look, a little baby.
Here you go. Go put him in the bucket. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Good for him.
Yeah, you'll be excited to fish.
Oh man, that'd be awesome.
Oh yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna let him go now. So you want to count them? Okay, he's number one.
One.
All right.
One.
So this line's got about a 3-inch brim on it. And this lake's got some pretty good sized channel cats. And maybe a couple of flatheads actually in here too. So just trying to see if I could get this bait picked up off the bottom. Jesse's caught a couple of nice channels today, but just checking to see if there was anything bigger. Not today. There's no line on it. Let's see if something eats these crickets. Watch and see if a brim comes and gets them. Surprised they haven't got any yet. I'll fix it. We can fish with it another day. Just got eaten right there by the bobber. Yeah, to the left of the bobber, watch. Something just ate one of them. If you love fishing, please subscribe.